Heidi Montag and Spencer Pratt are speaking out about the devastation they experienced after losing their home in the Los Angeles wildfires. In an emotional interview with ABC News, the former stars of The Hills reflected on their loss and the difficult reality they now face. The couple described the moment they realized their home was gone. "What made this one different was the realization that we might not survive," Spencer said. Heidi became emotional while recalling the loss of their son's bedroom, which had been a special place for their family. "We do story time every night there. It's filled with so much love," she shared. In a surreal moment, she described how the fire consumed their son's bed in the shape of a heart. "It was like something out of a dream, completely unreal," she said. The couple revealed that their home and belongings were not insured, as they had been dropped from their policy. "We were what they call house poor," Spencer explained. "We had a house, but everything else was a hustle, a grind. Every dollar we made counted." Heidi and Spencer have documented their ordeal on social media from the beginning. "Spencer told me to grab anything I wanted to keep, but I just froze," Heidi recalled. "My brain stopped working. How do you choose what to save?" As they worked to rebuild, Spencer turned to social media for support, encouraging people to stream Heidi's 2010 album Superficial. "God bless all of you. It's number 15 on iTunes. If we can get this to number 1, Heidi will be a pop superstar legend," he excitedly posted. Their campaign gained traction, with celebrities like Paris Hilton, Flavor Flav, and Diplo showing their support and urging others to listen to Heidi's music. Soon, Superficial reached number 1 on iTunes. "Who needs a house? Who needs clothes? We have this pop superstardom," Spencer joked in a celebratory video. "Our sons will grow up knowing their mom was number 1 in America." Despite the hardships, the couple remains optimistic. "I don't care if it only lasts 5 minutes. I got the screenshot, and I'm framing it," Spencer said. "Thank you to everyone who made this happen. It means the world to us." Now, they have their sights set on making history. "Keep streaming, keep buying, let's go for Billboard." Spencer encouraged fans. "We may have lost our home, but we're trending at the top."